Hi, this is Pankaj Dharkar, Presidential Member for ISHRAE. I'm really delighted that the young team at ISHRAE Ahmedabad has initiated the new initiative of making a public awareness about what impact the country can have or what kind of energy CO2 levels country can save if we just compromise by 1 degree. I think this is something fantastic effort by ISHRAE Ahmedabad team. Last year post deliberations with ECBC, I had put up a post and about awareness on this, and which got more than 1,20,000 responses. It was very heartening, and that really inspires me. You can see my thermostat. It is always set at 26 degree. I am going beyond 24 degree. I am comfortable with outdoor conditions crossing 45 degree. This gives me good relief, and air conditioning is not about cooling and chilling. We have started getting buildings of more than 22 to 24 floors. And when architects don't want to see our outdoor units, they often hide our outdoor units behind beautiful louvers. And we struggle with that because the outdoor airs of one floor often affect the outdoor temperature of next floor, and in turn the stack effect can really lead to outdoor conditions which are quite alarming. In fact, we have recently seen a tragedy in Surat. It is very alarming, and I personally feel it is a tip on iceberg. Many more serious accidents could happen and have huge impact, and it can be a big fire disaster. And therefore it is very important that whatever a citizen can do, comfortably staying at 24 degrees centigrade, it will be a great help to not only for his family, because he will be ultimately saving energy. It will also save huge cost of energy which country spends in transporting this energy which comes to your offices or our offices. It will also mean that the carbon footprint or carbon we are generating will come down. So I think it is going to be a great service to not only Mother Earth, nation, but entire globe. My special request to all my 5,700 plus Facebook followers, please send this message to your colleagues, to your friends, and create this awareness. I think we will do a wonderful job for our next generation, because energy is precious, the resources are limited. Let's save them together.